Welcome to English Practice Beginners, the place where your fear of speaking ends and your confidence begins, where every small step you take today builds the strong, fluent English you dream about tomorrow, and where your journey from silence to confident speaking starts right now, because your future self is already thanking you for press and play on this video, and today is not just another day. Today is the day you begin speaking English slowly, clearly, and without fear. Now imagine this for a moment. Imagine waking up one morning and realizing that English no longer scares you, that your mouth opens naturally, that words come smoothly, that your mind feels calm when someone speaks to you in English, and that instead of feeling nervous, you feel ready, confident, and proud. Imagine walking outside and understanding people, ordering food without stress, answering questions without panic, and finally feeling like English is part of your life, not a problem in your life. That future is not far away. It starts with slow practice, simple sentences, and daily repetition, and it starts right here, right now, with you and me together. Today, you are not learning English like a subject. You are building a habit. You are training your brain. You are creating a new version of yourself, a version that listens calmly, thinks clearly, and speaks confidently. You do not need perfect grammar. You do not need big vocabulary. You only need one thing: daily speaking practice. Slow, simple, consistent. Now let us begin your real English journey. You wake up in the morning. The room is quiet. The light comes through the window. You sit on your bed and take a deep breath. You say to yourself softly, "Today I will practice English." You stand up slowly. You stretch your arms. You feel calm. You walk to the bathroom. You look at yourself in the mirror. You smile and say, "Good morning." You brush your teeth. You wash your face. You feel fresh. You say, "I am ready for the day." Already you are speaking English. Already you are training your mind. You go to the kitchen. You make tea or coffee. You boil water. You pour it into a cup. You hold the warm cup in your hands. You say, "This smells good." You take a sip. You feel relaxed. You look outside. You see the sky. You see the trees. You see people walking. You say, "It is a nice morning." These are not just sentences. These are building blocks of fluency. You get dressed. You choose your clothes. You say, "I am wearing a blue shirt." You say, "These shoes are comfortable." You prepare your bag. You check your phone. You say, "I am ready to go." Every action becomes English. Every moment becomes practice. Now you step outside. The air feels fresh. You walk slowly. You hear birds. You hear cars. You hear footsteps. You say, "The street is busy today." You walk to the bus stop or train station. You stand and wait. You say, "The bus is coming." You get on. You find a seat. You say, "Excuse me." You say, "Thank you." You look around. You listen to people talking. You do not panic. You listen calmly. You say in your mind, "I understand some words. I am learning more every day." At work or school, you sit at your desk. You open your bag. You take out your notebook. You open your laptop. You say, "I am starting my work." You read emails. You write small messages. You say, "I will finish this task." You ask questions politely. You say, "Can you help me, please?" You say, "Thank you for your help." You smile. You feel proud. You are communicating. During lunch, you go to a cafe or cafeteria. You stand in line. You look at the menu. You say, "I would like a sandwich, please." You say, "Can I have a coffee?" You pay. You take your food. You sit down. You eat slowly. You enjoy your meal. You say, This tastes good. You look around, you see people talking. You feel part of the world. You are not silent anymore. In the afternoon, you walk again. You go to the shop. You buy groceries. You say, I need some bread. You say, how much is this? You say, thank you very much. The cashier smiles. You smile back. You feel confident. In the evening, you return home. You open the door. You say, I am home. You put your bag down. You change your clothes. You relax. You prepare dinner. You cut vegetables. You boil water. You cook food. You say, dinner is ready. You sit down. You eat. You feel peaceful. After dinner, you sit comfortably. You think about your day. You say, today I spoke English. You say, I listened carefully. You say, I learned something new. You feel proud. You feel motivated. You feel strong. Before sleeping, you lie on your bed. You close your eyes. You breathe slowly. You say, tomorrow I will practice again. You smile. You sleep peacefully. And this is how fluency grows, not in one day, not in 1 week, but step by step, sentence by sentence, day by day. You are not slow. You are learning. You are not weak. You are building strength. You are not late. You are right on time. Every time you repeat a sentence, your brain becomes faster. Every time you listen, your understanding improves. Every time you speak, your confidence grows. English is no longer a wall. English is now a bridge to better jobs, a bridge to better conversations, a bridge to better opportunities, a bridge to a better future. And you are walking on that bridge right now. So speak slowly, speak clearly, speak daily, because fluency is not magic. Fluency is practice, and your practice starts today. Welcome to your new life with English. Welcome to your new confidence. Welcome to your new voice. This is your English journey, and it has only just begun. And as days pass, something beautiful starts happening inside you. You no longer feel strange when you hear English around you. Your ears slowly adjust to the rhythm of the language. Your brain begins to recognize patterns. Words stop feeling random. Sentences start making sense. You notice that even when people speak fast, you can still catch the main idea. You no longer freeze. You no longer panic. You simply listen, understand what you can, and respond calmly. This is not luck. This is training. This is daily practice shaping your mind. One morning you wake up and realize something surprising. English is the first thing that comes into your mind. You stretch and say, it is a new day. You check the time and say, I have time. You feel relaxed. You no longer rush. You no longer feel pressure. You feel control. You feel clarity. You feel ready. As you walk outside, you notice the world differently now. You observe signs, shops, billboards, and notices in English. You read them naturally. You understand them easily. You say in your mind, this is a grocery store. This is a pharmacy. This is a bus stop. Your environment becomes your classroom. The world becomes your teacher. On the bus, you hear two people talking. Before, their conversation sounded like noise. Now it sounds like information. You catch words. You understand ideas. You connect meaning. You feel proud. You feel progress. You feel growth. At work or school, you notice that you are no longer silent. You raise your hand. You speak slowly. You express your thoughts clearly. People listen. They understand. They respond. You realize that communication is not about perfect English. It is about clear intention. During meetings you say, I think this is a good idea. You say, can we try this method? You say, I agree with you. You say, let me explain. And people respect your voice. During lunch, you sit with colleagues or classmates. You join conversations. You ask questions. You share opinions. You laugh. You connect. You feel included. English is no longer separating you from people. English is connecting you to people. In the evening, you go for a walk. You put on your headphones. You listen to a short English podcast. You understand more than yesterday. You repeat sentences softly. You train your pronunciation. You walk and learn. You move and grow. At home, you open a notebook. You write about your day. Today, I spoke English. Today, I listened carefully. Today, I learned new words. Today, I felt confident. Your handwriting becomes your memory. Your diary becomes your mirror. It shows you how far you have come. Some days will be easy, some days will be challenging, but every day will make you stronger. There will be moments when you forget words. There will be moments when you make mistakes. There will be moments when you feel slow. But slow is not failure. Slow is progress. Slow is learning. Slow is mastery. You begin to understand that fluency is not about speed. It is about comfort. It is about calmness. It is about control. And one day, something incredible happens. You speak without thinking. You answer without translating. You understand without stress. English becomes natural. You are no longer learning English. You are living English. You speak on the phone confidently. You attend interviews calmly. You travel easily. You meet new people freely. Your world becomes bigger. Opportunities open, doors unlock, dreams become closer. And you realize this journey started with small steps, simple sentences, slow practice, daily repetition, not talent, not luck, not magic, just consistency. You kept showing up, you kept practicing, you kept believing, and now you are here, a confident English speaker, a strong communicator, a fearless learner. So when someone asks you, "How did you learn English?" you smile and say, "One sentence at a time," because that is the truth. This is not just language learning, this is life building. This is not just speaking, this is self-growth. This is not just English, this is your power. And your journey does not stop here. It only gets better. Every day, every sentence, every conversation. You are becoming unstoppable. You are becoming fluent. You are becoming confident. And your English story is still being written by you.